Welcome to STEM at Houston Public Library. My name is Miss Leona, and today we're going to make a balloon rocket. And this is for ages 5 and up with a little bit of parental help, but everyone's going to enjoy it. And the supplies that you will need are these. You need some string, a straw, a balloon, and some tape. All right, so let's get started. And you all know what a balloon is. We're going to blow this up. Now, balloons are really fun and you guys love playing with them, but we can also learn a scientific idea from them. Because Newton's third law says for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, and that's what we're going to show with this balloon. Okay, so we can tie the end of the balloon, but if we don't and we just release it, what happens? You've probably all done it. Is it going to just fall on the ground? Is it going to go straight up in the air? Or is it going to do something else? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. All right, so it went in kind of a straight line. It was kind of twisty today. But what happened was the air came out of the front. That was the action. But what it did, the equal and opposite reaction is it made the rest of the balloon go backwards. All right? So the air comes out and it forces the balloon the other way. So we're going to use that law to make a balloon rocket. Okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the balloon, we're going to blow it up, but you're also going to need a straw. Now, the one that we're going to actually use is a little bit bigger, just so you can see it better. But I'm going to show you, you can use any straw that you have at home, except the ones where they're kind of bendy, and I'll show you. So you're going to put the string, and make it long enough so that your straw has a ways to go. This is regular string. Don't use one of these kind of straws because you can see it's not going to go straight if you have it bendy like that. Okay. All right, so you get your straw and you want to line it up between 2 chairs, or you can actually do it between 2 people, but you need to have it straight. Of course, you don't want to have it curved because then it's not going to go in a straight line. All right, then you're going to take your balloon. Now, you can do with just one balloon, or if you want to experiment with different sizes of balloons, then you can really get the difference between those different sizes. How far will it really go? Okay. So we're going to blow up the balloon. All right, once you've got it blown, you're going to need 2 pieces of tape, okay? Then you're going to go over to your straw. Now, we want to attach the balloon to the straw and see if we can make the straw go fast. Now, if I push it like that, that doesn't go very fast. But we can make it go very fast with our balloon. But which way should I tape it? Should I tape it with the end this way or this way? Which way do you think? This way? This way. Okay, we are going to tape it with the end going that way because we want the balloon to shoot that way. Okay? So you want to line up the balloon and with the straw, make it parallel. And you're going to tape it. You might have to have, this is where your parents might need help with. It's a little bit tricky. Okay, once you've got the balloon taped to the straw, what's going to happen? Is it going to sit there? Or is the balloon going to shoot? Okay, hopefully it'll shoot. Okay, so you help me count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. And the balloon went all the way to the very end. Because it was a big balloon. Now, what we could do if you wanted to try with different kind of balloons is measure the distance with that much air in a balloon. Then you can take a smaller balloon and just blow it up a little bit and see how far it goes. Would it still go the same distance? Or would it go a shorter amount? Okay, so remember our idea is for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So I want you to try it at home and see what happens for you. And then let us know. You can hashtag us at #I love HPL. Thanks for coming. Hope to see you soon. Bye.